gonna go for the sequel number 3. Put a little music on in the background to make it more entertaining. Can't get a grip. These old rusty pliers here ain't what they used to be. Get a good grip there. Maybe she ain't ready to come off now. Not as easy as it looks. Can't get enough grip on it. There we go. Oh yeah. That one corner hurts like a bitch. Ah. Damn you, son. I will. Ah. God. Woo. Well, that's Pulling Toenails, the sequel to the sequel. God damn, I didn't think it was going to hurt that bad. Ooh. And just for extra pain, some rubbing alcohol. Yeah. Woo. Makes you feel alive. Oh. Alright, time for a beer. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of Pulling Toenails with a pair of pliers. Should I get some blood flowing through that? Woo. Kind of timed it perfectly at the end of the song, huh? This is the Cosmic Psychos. Australian punk. Dig it.